If you can make a girl laugh and giggle, you can make that ass clap and jiggle.
I like that.
Oh Lord. Like, are you can't. If I feel like that. Oh, terrible. Oh my God. You. Never mind. Fuck that. Pitiful.
Shut the fuck up. Hello.
You look familiar. Have I seen you somewhere? Right, one of the girls on the Librarian Jack Soft rant. You must get that a lot, don't you?
I do.
You do.
I do.
I think you wear the glasses on purpose. I feel like you low-key enjoy those compliments.
You're actually... How do you know? I always, like, skip people after they say it, but, like, in the back of my mind, I'm like,
You just love attention, don't you? That's why you're on Omegle, right?
Yeah.
I feel like you could get attention if you just go outside of the house. Why are you here? Like, are you can't talk to people?
I don't know, it's, like, late at night, like...
Where you stay?
I live in Seattle. It's always raining. I hate it here.
So you're always what? Oh Lord.
Like that.
Oh Lord. All right.
My parents made me go to this like super crazy private school.
So you're like a sheltered kid.
No, I am not a sheltered kid.
Okay, now you're just sounding like you're a slut. Like the way you just.
That's not what I mean. That's not what I mean. Okay, what's your body count? Let's start with you. What's your body count?
I'm a virgin. I've been saving myself for you.
You're a virgin?
Yeah.
Oh
I want to save myself for marriage. We're gonna get married. I'm gonna lose it to you. Yeah.
Dude, my body count is 2, but I only date people that I'm like, or have sex with people that I'm like dating.
Oh yeah, we should date then. Or no?
You?
I'm asking you.
No, I'm asking you.
Bitch, are you dumb? Boy, if you don't get...
Oh, that was so bad, bro. You do a cartwheel like a male does a cartwheel. You do not have a feminine cartwheel.
You do a cartwheel.
Alright, fine. You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna do a cartwheel. Cause you got me tempted. Alright. How do white girls be doing? They be like,
Oh my God!
What was that? That was bad. That was ass.
that look just like yours. I promise you, that look just like yours.
Hold up. No, it did not.
No.
That's good.
You stumbling afterwards though.
And then here's my push-up.
We're about to do. Okay. Oh, she on one hand. Okay, then. Oh, that's an L.
Yeah, I can't do any push-ups.
All right, do like 3 good ones. You feel me? Like. No, that form is pitiful. All right, so you honestly, I'm not gonna lie, kind of unwifeable. You can't cook. You can't do the splits. No flexibility. Pitiful push-ups.
What do I need to be flexible for?
That's very important. Flexibility is very important.
For what?
For a lot of things.
For what? Name one.
In certain moments, you gotta, just bust out into a split. Go like this. Very important.
You are definitely a virgin.
Of course. I'm saving myself for you till marriage. Come on. We're getting married, right?
Sure. Yeah.
Of course. I knew you wouldn't reject me. Oh my God.
You're not rejecting it now. And I'm gonna keep the ring too.
I'm gonna need that back. I'm not gonna lie.
And I'm also we should get married again. Hold on, we're married now. I'm gonna get
Whoa, this bitch is bipolar. So you rejected me, now we're getting married. What the fuck is happening?
Hold on. Like if a girl were to touch you, I would shoot her in her face.
What?
Like don't mess with me.
Okay, yeah, we're not getting married. Never mind. Fuck that.
Exactly. Just gotta find the right guy who will allow that to happen. And you're just not that.
You're trying to find a guy who will allow you to shoot another woman in the face for touching him. Good luck with that.
No, not just like touching him, but like caressing him, like
caressing him.
No, she's like, oh my God, your muscles are so big, bang.
Okay, but now you're gonna have to scissor some random old white bitch in jail because it's America. You can't just do that. You're just gonna be scissoring old white bitches for the rest of your life. Anyway, you feel me? I gotta get going, but drop your Instagram, whatever the fuck you want. I'm finna.
There you go.
Deja Harmon. Alright, you have a good day. We will make cute kids. I like curls. Fuck with that.
You say that? Do you say that to every girl with curly hair?
Yes. Thank you for the observation. I mean,
Yeah, see?
why would I not though? We would have cute babies. They would have good curls, but they would like me more. What are y'all?
Arab. I'm black.
Okay, I got a question. Do Arabs like?
Just fucking with you. I'm not black. I'm not black.
I obviously could tell. Do Arabs like black people?
Whoa, how do you know we're Arab, huh?
Cause the bitch just said oh Arab. Oh my god, you fucking sped, bro.
What'd you say?
I'm saying you're fucking sped. Aren't you supposed to have
what
good?
was your question? You were asking a question. Who the fuck you calling sped, bitch?
I'm talking about you, bitch. Yeah, who you get allowed with? We can go all day.
Okay.
Arabs like black people.
Yeah, cause I feel like
We hate him.
Damn.
No, I'm just fucking with you.
Yes.
But like, isn't everybody racist?
You know, I feel like I'm not. No, this is me though. I like bitches from every race, right? I don't discriminate. You feel me? White gal, Indian gal, everything. You feel me? But I feel like nowadays, like a lot of people have just racial dating preferences.
What's the baddest race? Like you full like.
Bro,
you know,
blazing bitches. You feel me? Mixed black and Asian. That is so fucking OD, bro.
Have you pulled a Blasian bitch though? Like.
I mean, just like you pull any other girl, it's not different formula. You think men got different formulas from different races?
Like, be honest. Like, what do you do? Like, what's your game? Like, what the fuck do you do? What makes what's the
How you? Okay, look, it's all about your dominance, right? Bitches don't care how you look. In a way, they do, but it's not that important. It's about being that nigga. If you a bitch ass nigga, like, I hate to use the word, but if you're like a pussy, a beta, like a pushover, girls like dominant guys. Am I wrong or am I right?
I'm the dominant one. That's the thing.
You are. No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You do not give off dominant energy at all.
Yes. What? Am I submissive to you? Do I look submissive?
You don't give off like, like spicy, like, you don't look like you would slap me. You don't look like you would fight.
No, okay. Yeah, I wouldn't.
See, you just agree with me so easy. That's the most submissive thing ever. Like,
I'm not. Okay. You know what? Fuck you.
What do you look for? All right, how? Explain how I'm wrong.
In a guy?
Yeah.
I'd like to say, music taste.
Not the cap.
Bitch, what? If a ugly fat nigga.
I like funny guys.
She want me.
Oh, it's late as hell. Ooh, hold on. Can you cook for me? Like, Asian girls, like, I love Asian food, bro. I'm not gonna lie. And I'm wondering if you can cook for me.
I could try.
What are you good for? You know, like, why would somebody want to wife you up? Can you, like, what's your record-setting laundry time? Like, can you do laundry really fast? Can you fold clothes really good?
Yeah, I used to work in retail.
Oh, shit. Okay, that's a check mark right there. I'm gonna need the contact information so I can set the wedding up.
Right, yeah.
Right.
Okay. That's my Instagram handle.
Okay, Lucy.
Mhm.
That's a white bitch name.
Shut the fuck up.